So open up your project if you haven't done that, and you should have these 3 pictures in this video. If you haven't done any of that stuff, you need to go back to videos and see and complete the project. All right, so adding transitions, pretty easy. Over here on the left, you have all these different buttons. This one right here is transitions. And what's cool is when you roll over these, it'll actually give you a little preview of what is going to happen, which is kind of neat. So look at some TV and some movie stuff that's on TV, and you can look at their transitions, see what they use a lot. What I'm going to use is this cross zoom right now for this first one. So you got the little hand, just click it and drag it and keep holding it down, and then you're basically got this little green line, and that's where your transition is going to actually be at. So I want my transition right here. So I'm gonna, now my transition's right here. When I play this,
favorite movies.
All right. So it tells me the duration of this transition is 1 second. All right. So I want this to kind of be a little bit longer of a duration. So I can go down to this gear box or this gear button for its option. Precision Editor and Transition Adjustments. Precision Editor, we're going to get into that later. That's a little more complicated. But Transition Adjustments, we're going to click that. And here we have our duration. We have our overlap. What this does is basically, if you want to keep the whole clip, or you want to change the clip, and what it does is it changes the actual duration for you. So like right now, if I pressed half, when I roll over this, it's 1 second. If I do all, it changes to 1 second. But watch, when I change this to like 3 seconds, it does something weird. Now it says only 2:2, and it's in yellow or orange, whatever that is. That just basically says that it can't do that. If we change this to half, now it's at 1 second, a little over a second. And you can mess around with it and see what it actually does. Basically, one just keeps the whole clip and you see the whole video, where the other one, it kind of like it cuts the video out quicker and it goes right into transition. So I'm gonna keep all of the clip, and that's as long as it's gonna keep. So I just wanted to have a cool little effect that I'm gonna throw on there. You'll see later. So press done, and now our transition
3 favorite movies
is over. And now what I want you to do for your assignment is you're going to put transitions in between at the beginning of your video. Got this one right here. We're going to put one here and also at the end. So go through and add some transitions into your video. It doesn't matter which ones you pick, just pick the ones that you think look cool. And that's it.